Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can add story to your story highlights on the Instagram ad. So as you know, stories you add as highlights remain visible as highlights until you remove them, even after the original story has disappeared. So this is a new hack that Instagram has provided us. Now let's get back to our video. You need to open the Instagram app. Once the app opens up, tap on the avatar icon which is at the bottom of the screen here. Now tap on the plus sign which is right beside your username and is on the upper right corner of the screen. Now here tap on the story highlight option. So you can tap to select the story like this, and then once you have selected your story, to keep that as your highlight, tap on the next option here. Now you can also edit your cover like this. Also you can give a name to your highlight and then tap on the add option which is at the upper right corner of the screen. So as you can see, I've now created a new highlight. So that's how you can add story to your story highlight on Instagram. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.